If Telegram downloads are failing on your desktop, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether your downloads are stuck, not starting, or failing halfway through, these steps can help you get Telegram working again without needing any advanced technical skills. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, let's fully restart Telegram desktop. A normal close is not always enough, so look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar near the clock. Right-click the Telegram icon there, then choose Quit. This completely shuts down the app instead of leaving it running in the background. Once Telegram is fully closed, reopen it and try your download again. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear a temporary glitch and get things moving. If the problem is still happening, the next thing to do is clear Telegram's local cache. Open Telegram, then go into Settings. From there, choose Advanced, then find Manage Local Storage. Inside that menu, select Clear All. This removes cached files that may be corrupted or taking up too much space, and it can often fix download errors or incomplete transfers. After clearing the cache, give Telegram a moment to reload everything, then test the download again. Now let's check your download settings and path, because sometimes the issue is simply where Telegram is trying to save the file. Go back into Settings, then open Advanced again, and look for Download Path. Make sure the folder you selected has enough free space available. If the drive is almost full, Telegram may fail to save new files properly. Also, if you're still getting errors, consider changing the download path to your desktop. This can help eliminate path length issues and makes it easier to confirm that files are actually being saved. After updating the folder, save the setting, then retry the download one more time. At this point, most Telegram download problems should be fixed. The key is to work through these steps in order: fully restart the app, clear the local cache, and then verify the download location. Those three actions solve a lot of common Telegram issues without needing to reinstall the app or change any complicated system settings. If your download is working again, that's great. And if this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.